welcome to the series. Today you're going to be learning about, and I'm going to show you how it looks as a small plant. So let's get started and get on with the tour. Hi and welcome, it's Amanda here, Creative Gardener. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today we're looking at lemon balm. Now I brought this as a small plant and it's just kind of not even tripled, it's like 5 times the size that it was where it's growing now. And I think it's growing bigger because I had lemongrass here and it was kind of being crowded out by the lemongrass, so I moved the lemongrass and it now has the space that it needs. As time goes on, it's sitting beside the broadleaf thyme, so I shall be kind of just cutting back probably about there to give it more space, and then I will also be taking cuttings to plant it in other places of the garden. I used to grow this used to grow really well in the UK. It was like a weed, and I think perhaps there may be a lot more with the sun and the heat. I'm not sure that it kind of appreciates being in direct sunlight all the time. I think perhaps, you know, there might need to be some shade around it. So taking a cutting will be able to help me ascertain that. But again, it's still doing really well. It's still growing really well, and I take cuttings quite frequently for herbal tea, and it's still producing. So I guess it's one of those plants that, you know, as you trim it, it just grows back, it grows more. And that's the same with the that I'm finding with the broadleaf thyme. I'm out here at least twice a week cutting back, especially when we have rain and then, you know, a lot of sun. As you can see, it's like a circle a circle of broadleaf thyme, but it's all good because it's got, you know, the nutrients and the benefits to it. But as I say, I want my you know, lemon balm to just, you know, really take off, and I'd love to see it the leaves in this as well grow bigger. As I say, in the shade it seemed to do, and in London it seemed to do really well, and obviously you don't have the temperatures, so that will be something that I will be thinking about when I get a chance to take a cutting and maybe think about moving it, depending on how the cutting does, but we'll see how we go with that. So that is my lemon balm, and I will look forward to seeing you tomorrow. So take care for now. If you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel, and it'll be great to connect with you. It's lovely to see what other people are doing in their gardens and how they're getting on and their successes. So I look forward to connecting with you, and I will see you tomorrow.